Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Kevin. We're going to take a look at some of the cars at Toronto Pearson Airport. And just a quick reminder, National, Enterprise, and Alamo all share the same fleet, so the vehicles can be just between the different fleets here. Let's get started off here with Premier Selection. Actually, before we start, just a quick reminder, go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. And if you want to see more of these videos, give it a quick like. And we'll start off here. We got a Polestar in Premier Selection. We got a Bmw X3. And beside that, we got an X1. We got one of these GLC 330s and a Ford Edge. And we got a Ford Escape and a Ford Edge. And somebody's taking this Dodge Charger GT here. We got one of these Hyundai Sonatas with the Sport package on it. And a GMC. And we'll go down here. There's actually a ton of cars just kind of over in returns right now, just being cleaned up. But here is some of the overflow. We've got a Toyota Camry here. And here's some of the overflow just eventually working its way into the aisle. Or maybe some of the reserves. We got a bunch of SUVs here in the overflow. Got a Malibu. We got a Chrysler 300S. And the 300S has got the sunroof in it. Very nice. I always like taking a quick peek in these, see what the mileage is. It's got about 5,000 or about 3,000 miles on it. And we'll just go around to the other side of the executive aisle here. Get back to some of these reserve a little bit later. And at the end here, it looks like we got another Ford Escape. Just while we're walking over. Mitsubishi SUV, another Ford Escape. I got a GMC. Terrain, I think that is. We got a smaller Mazda. Chevy Equinox. We got a RAV4. And one of these Chevy Trailblazers. Another Mitsubishi SUV. We got one of these all-wheel drive Kia compact SUV. We got another one here. Just a little bit further down, we've got, looks like we got another RAV4. And a Kia, we got a Hyundai, and a VW Jetta. I'm still working on these VW Jettas and Passats. I actually did check this one earlier. Have a quick peek. We'll cover probably those in the Alamo video. Just been splitting these up into 3 different videos, even though Enterprise, Alamo, and National all the same company, just to keep the videos from not being too long. Okay, we got a Kia here, fairly new. And beside a Kia SUV, one of these smaller Mazdas, Hyundai. Kia Soul, looks like there's a couple Kia Souls here. And got a Mitsubishi SUV, one of these smaller Toyotas. We got a VW Passat here, I think. Somebody might be taking the VW Passat, so I'll just go past that. A Hyundai Kona, Nissan, I think that's probably like a Sentra or an Altima, probably a Sentra, it looks about the size. We got a couple more Mazdas. I'm going to check these. Are these MX3s? What are these here? I'm guessing they're 3 Series. CX3, okay. I'm guessing both of these are probably CX3s, yeah. CX3 all-wheel drive. All right, and just to keep in mind, there's, lots of cars over at the returns, which will eventually come into the aisle probably a little bit later in the day, so probably the rest of those will be coming back later. Thanks everyone for watching. Just a quick reminder, go ahead and click that subscribe if you haven't already subscribed, and I'll see you guys in the next video.